Well, jury selection began today for one of Spokane's most hotly debated shootings. Gail Gerlach on trial for manslaughter. He admits shooting a convicted car thief who was stealing an SUV out of Gerlach's driveway when Gerlach opened fire. KXLY4's Jeff Humphrey working for you. He was at Spokane Superior Court today. And Jeff, prospective jurors being quizzed about their gun ownership.
Nadine, both the trial judge and the attorneys are learning that a lot of Spokane County residents own guns and carry the concealed weapon permits that go with them. Prospective jurors in this case even being asked if they belong to the NRA.
All rise for the count.
Judge Annette Please called 100 Spokane County residents to Superior Court this morning. And after they were sworn to tell the truth about their qualifications as prospective jurors,
Go ahead and be seated.
the court told the group about what type of questions they'd be answering.
And the questions are not being asked to invade your privacy, but to help select a fair and impartial jury.
Judge Please first asked the panel about what they've heard about this case in the media, but then the questionnaire zeroed in on gun ownership.
Question 3, have you or any immediate family member ever belonged or contributed money to the NRA, the National Rifle Association?
Both the defense and prosecution want to know about NRA membership and any other pro-gun leanings because Gerlach is accused of shooting a man stealing his SUV. One prospective juror was dismissed today because he told the court he felt Gerlach had the right to defend his property. The same is true of a woman who said that people who carry guns bring trouble on themselves. Right now, the court's simply looking for jurors who still have an open mind.
It will be your duty to determine the facts that have been proved in court. It is also your duty to accept the law from the court, regardless of what you personally believe the law is or what you personally think it should be.
And of course, that will be the trick, finding a bunch of jurors out there ready to set aside their own personal beliefs in this case that's actually polarized our community and consider only the information that's presented in court along with the law. It's interesting, 78 out of the 100 people who filled out questionnaires today said they had concerns about doing that very thing, and that's why the judge wanted to talk to them additionally.
Wow, that's a lot of people. Oh, so Gerlach's wife was allowed in court today, but she won't when the trial actually starts?
Mrs. Gerlach cannot be called by the state as a witness because there's a law that says that spouses do not have to testify against each other, but she can be called by the defense as a witness. And so today the judge ruled that she cannot be inside the courtroom to hear other testimony leading up to her testimony.
Oh, sure.
Once she's done testifying, she can go in.